Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's crucial for anyone considering an online bank. Is comdirect safe? Gone are the days of clunky in-person banking. Online banks offer convenience, often lower fees, and sometimes even higher interest rates. But with all that ease, a natural concern arises: is my money secure? Let's dissect comdirect, a popular online bank in Germany, and see if it meets the safety standard you deserve. The regulatory shield, BaFin's watchful eye. First things first, comdirect is regulated by the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, BaFin. This is a big deal. BaFin is Germany's top-tier financial watchdog, ensuring institutions play by the rules. They hold comdirect accountable for financial stability, transparency, and consumer protection. Think of BaFin as the referee in a high-stakes financial game. They make sure comdirect doesn't fumble with your funds. Deposit insurance, a safety net for your cash. But what if, despite BaFin's watchful eye, things go wrong? Here's where deposit insurance comes in. In Germany, deposits up to 100,000 euros per customer are protected by a national deposit guarantee scheme. This means even in the unlikely event of comdirect facing financial difficulties, your money is safeguarded up to that limit. It's a safety net that provides peace of mind. Beyond regulations, comdirect's track record. Regulations and insurance are great, but a strong track record speaks volumes. comdirect boasts a history dating back to 1994. That's over 2 decades of experience navigating the financial landscape. Furthermore, comdirect is a subsidiary of Commerzbank, Germany's second-largest bank. This strong parent company provides additional financial stability. Security measures, your money's Fort Knox. So far, things are looking good for comdirect's safety. But security goes beyond regulations and history. Let's peek behind the curtain and see how comdirect safeguards your money on a day-to-day basis. comdirect utilizes industry-standard security measures like two-factor authentication and data encryption. This makes unauthorized access extremely difficult, adding an extra layer of protection for your hard-earned cash. The flip side, potential risks to consider. While comdirect appears secure, it's important to acknowledge potential risks. Online banking, by its nature, carries a slightly higher inherent risk compared to traditional banks. Phishing scams and malware targeting online accounts are a constant threat. However, with proper online security practices on your end, these risks can be significantly mitigated. The verdict: is comdirect safe? Based on the evidence, comdirect appears to be a safe and reliable online bank. Regulation by BaFin, deposit insurance, a solid track record, strong security measures, all these factors point towards a trustworthy institution. Of course, online security is a two-way street. Staying vigilant against online threats and practicing good password hygiene are essential on your part. The final word: choosing the right bank. Ultimately, the decision of whether comdirect is right for you depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. Do your research, compare options, and ensure comdirect's features and fees align with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and invest wisely.